Hi everyone, I'm meteorologist Bob Rose. Thanks for tuning in to my latest weather video blog. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about the weather that we've been seeing across the area through the winter months and then a look ahead into spring. Now it's very evident that this winter we've seen a fairly wet weather pattern across much of central Texas. Now the forecast going into this winter said it was going to be dry or drier than normal due to the effects of La Nina, but to almost everyone's surprise, we have seen either near normal to above normal rainfall across much of the region. In fact, many areas have already seen as much rain just between December and February than they saw in the entire calendar year of 2011. So a lot of folks have been asking what is going on. Well, in the Pacific, yes, we do have a weak to moderate La Nina still in place, and this La Nina has been influencing the weather across parts of the world. But there have been other factors this winter that have overwhelmed the La Nina signal and have brought rainstorm after rainstorm into parts of Texas, and some of these have been very heavy. In fact, we've seen enough rain across parts of the area that we have been seeing drought improvement. There's been lots of moisture now put into the soil. Many stock tanks are filling. We're already starting to see a green up in the landscape. The last thing, though, to recover has been the hydro part, the lakes and the aquifers. But getting back to the weather portion of what's been going on this winter, this pattern of storms coming in out of the Pacific and moving across Texas is really showing no signs of breaking down. Our medium range models are all saying that this pattern will likely repeat as we go into March and even into April. As a result, this forecast for drier than normal weather has been kind of backed off a little bit. Our forecasts for spring are now showing a pattern of probably near to maybe even slightly above normal rainfall for the rest of spring. Now this is really good news. In fact, the National Weather Service's latest drought outlook going through May shows that we could see some drought improvement across the area. Again, the drought improvement meaning more rains across the area and hopefully more recharge into the lakes and aquifers. But where do we go from there? Well, looking ahead to this summer, probably not a repeat of what we had last summer, but still hot and hopefully some periods of rain. Well, that's it for this time. I'm meteorologist Bob Rose. Thanks for watching.